Hi everyone, welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Service Private Limited. We are looking at it. We are looking at a 3 BHK Jodi apartment of Godrej Ananda, sold at Godrej Ananda Phase 3. So they have recently launched new phase, 4 towers sold out. The new tower will be opening very soon. Tower number P. We are also waiting eagerly for the tower to open. Before that, let me tell you this. I'll show you the sample apartment and then we'll talk about the advantages, the investment opportunities, and people who are looking out for self-use and other benefits of this unit. We have entered, the moment we enter, we have one bedroom towards the left-hand side. Bedroom will be there. So this is the bedroom with attached washroom along with the wardrobe space. So this is a Jodi. We also have regular apartment, but not made the sample apartment for a regular unit. But since right now we are showing you the Jodi flat, I'll explain you how this Jodi concept works. So 2 BHK plus 1 room, hall, kitchen, like a studio. It's called Jodi Apartment. Somewhere 1600 change square feet it will come. From here also we'll have one access. If you are buying this flat for investment, you can close this door, this one, the one which is open, rent out that flat separately, and you can rent this flat separately. This is my idea, I'm giving it as per my experience. If someone has better ideas, we are open to hear. Or you can rent out the entire, all these 3 BHK to one single family. That's also one of the best way to do it. We have the living, a very big living area, along with the dining table. Just look out, the dining seat is really nice. The quality of the materials that they have used, the interiors are good, simple, and it's really attractive. It's a very big and a standard balcony they have given. And I forgot to tell you, there will be 2 balconies in the unit. And again, we have the open kitchen concept. This is an open kitchen, how you will be getting. So you can design your interiors with Godrej. They also have the interior company. So this is the utility space, and this will be the bedroom. The first bedroom, you can convert this as a children's bedroom as per your requirement. So this slider will not be there. This will be only given on your approval. This is the common washroom. Attached, common one. Master bedroom with 10 by 14. Your washroom excludes in the square feet, and then your balcony. So just look at the size of the bedroom. It's really good. I'm not saying this because I want to sell this. Even if I'm not telling anything, this will get sell off because of the plans that they have made, because of the location where the project located, and why we need to buy this project in KIADB Aerospace Park. So there we have the Brigade 1, the Brigade El Dorado 50-acre township project. So this is with 2 balconies. This property is located in North Bangalore inside a KIADB Aerospace Park, 3000-acre development. Other things, everyone. We'll share our number, contact for details. That's it from our side. Thank you so much for watching us. Have a nice day. Stay safe.